and welcome back to my channel. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Now for the past few videos we've been making some really delicious no-bake recipes, but I thought it was about time to start using that oven again. So this week I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some really scrumptious double chocolate chip cookies. Alright, let's get started. To make these cookies, we're just going to dump all of the ingredients into one big bowl. So here I already have my unsalted peanut butter, and to that I'm going to add my maple syrup, vanilla extract, 1 egg, melted coconut oil, cocoa powder, whole wheat flour, just a bit of salt, and baking soda. Now just mix it all up. Now that we finished mixing our dough, I'm just going to add the dark chocolate chips and the chopped hazelnuts, and just mix it again. To shape our cookies, I'm just going to be using a spoon here that I wet with some water to make sure that the dough doesn't stick. Now I'm just going to wet my fingers with a bit of water as well so I can shape them to get it to a nicer circular form. Now I'm going to wet my fingers with a little bit of water so I can round these out a little bit. Now we're going to bake these in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Alright, and here is our finished result. These double chocolate chip cookies are so fudgy, and they're almost like a brownie in cookie form. Now if you want to make these at home, I'm going to be linking the exact ingredients and measurements down in the description box below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as ring that notification bell so you don't miss any one of the delicious and guilt-free dessert recipes that I'm going to be posting once every single week. Bye-bye guys!